Today's video, money questions. How do you manage your personal finances? So let's begin. The agenda for today's video will be discussing income and expenses, the balance, and the savings and investment. So let's get into it. So first, income and expenses. If you're trying to manage your personal finances, first you need to look at your income and expenses. So you want to really take a good look at how much you're making per day, per week, per month, per year, and how much you're spending per day, per week, per month, per year. So first, the question really is, how much money did you make this week, month, year? You want to be taking note of all of this. You could use a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, Google Sheets if you're into Google Drive and Google Documents and so on. However you want to do it, note it down on paper. Doesn't matter. You just want to really essentially answer this question. How much money did you make this week, month, or year? Then the same goes for your expenses. How much money did you spend this week, month, or year? Like some of you are going to be in salaries where you're getting paid by the week or by the month. So you just make it work out for yourself and you do a monthly, statement for yourself, a monthly little kind of like, income statement or expense statement or however you want to call it, whatever. Just do some kind of numbers for yourself. Nothing official. This is just scrappy. Just do some numbers in your phone even. You could do this. Just looking at how much you made, how much you spent this week, this month, this year. You just need to take note of all of these things. If you've overspent and didn't punish yourself, shame on you. Balance. This is the difference between the money you've made and the money you've spent. So, for example, if your income is £2,500 per month, then we're going to check out your expenses, and your expenses is roughly £2,000 per month. Then obviously you're going to know that your balance remaining, or your remaining balance is going to be £500 per month. So that's what's going to be left. So when we're talking about your balance, you really want to increase that balance, because if you're not making enough money and you're also spending a lot of money, you're going to have nothing left in your remaining balance. And the remaining balance is very important because that's what you're going to be able to save. Look, you're a rare breed of human being. Most people aren't fussed about managing their money. So just want to thank you and reward you for, all these efforts that you're making to really improve your personal finances. Take the time to learn and watch these kind of videos about getting your money right. You're on your way. Just keep at it. All right, saving and investing. These are two skills, and like any skill, you need to practice to get good at it. So both of these skills both need practicing on a weekly, daily, monthly, annual basis. This is an ongoing thing. So, saving. You really want to be saving into a bank account which you can't really access. So one of these bank accounts where you've got a notice period could be 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 24 months. The longer the better, because really you want to be putting money into it. You don't want to be taking money out. Now investing, you need to choose a method that you want to invest into and start studying and learning it. You could do stocks, shares, forex, property, currencies, commodities. There's so much more things you could invest into, but have a plan of where you want to be putting all this money you're saving in the long term, so that you can actually, start investing and growing that money, because the whole point is to grow that seed capital that you've just saved. So your action steps for today's video. Look, your income and expenses, I want you to set a goal, track for the next 30 days, adjust, and then repeat. For the balance, same thing. I want you to set a goal, track for the next 30 days, adjust, and then repeat. And same for savings and investment. Set a goal for saving and investing, track for the next 30 days, adjust, and repeat. You should be trying to repeat this process over and over again. So you should be making adjustments to your income and expenses, adjustments to your balance, adjustments to your savings and investments. Keep on improving these things. As usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below and I'll give you my 2 cents.